Keith Barr, Tim Davis, Joe McHugh, Joe Lintak, Dan Ramel.
Alright, I got all my chips just waiting on my marbles.
Oopsie.
1 minute to the start of the race.
Alright guys, no more laps, no more laps. Target at the beginning of the straightaway.
Oh.
It's going to go Mattis on the tone. The rest of you I will call off. Daniel Mattis on the tone. Go Rob Welch. Borer. Davis. McCune. And Lintak. Time to beat still is at 16.44, set by Vince Lamaco in heat number 1.
First. Second. First. Sixth. Third. First. Second. Fifth. First.
1 minute down. And everybody's on a better than TT run right now. Steve Bohr leading the way, 17.49, followed by Davis, Welch, Lintak, Mattis, and McHugh. Call out on the track of 14.4 out of Bohr. He's got bragging rights right now as he's got that 14.4 hot lap. Everybody's hitting sevens. Rob Welch now up to the 2-spot separation between first through sixth is 2 seconds.
First. Sixth. Third. Fifth. Second.
Steve Bohr on a 17.410. Let's take a lap with your leader. I believe he is orange and blue.
Fifth.
Let's see if we can find one more time down the lap.
2 minutes left.
Working together, guys. Tim Davis right now bumping all the way back down to the bottom spot, unfortunately.
Third. Fourth.
Trying to get through some traffic that's white-black.
Second. First.
We're right now, your leader, orange and blue. White wheels coming over the center double into the booter.
Sixth.
Hairpin, bus stop chicane, down the backstretch. He's on a 17.409. Top 5 on a better than TQ run right now. Everybody but Tim Davis. Tim just off of it. He's about a second off on the TQ run. Tim now back up to that 4 spot. So everybody back on a TQ run with 1:10 left to go. Steve Bohr still 17.409. Daniel Mattis 8/10 off the pace. So your second spot. White and pink coming down the backstretch. Daniel Mattis, white and pink coming down the backstretch. That's your 2 spot. Into the total top. Mattis now second off the pace. Joe Lintak 6/10 off of Mattis. So 1, 2, 3, not too far behind. 45 seconds left to go. Anything can happen here. Bohr still your leader. Orange and blue coming down the backstretch. Watching into the booter. Watching into the booter. That was your leader. No, it was not. Sorry. 13.5 stadium truck. A sort beat. This is your 1 minute call. You need to be checked. Tech. Marshall at the table. A sort. You need to be checked. Text, checked, and staged. Daniel Mattis now up to the top spot, 14.2. The hot lap, he's on a 17.410. 4 800s off the time as Mattis right now trying to get through traffic. Pink and white on your tail, let it by. Purple, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. There we go. 10 seconds left to go, 10 seconds left to go. Mattis trying to get back into the top spot as Bohr just took it last lap. So Mattis and Bohr, 3/10 of separation. As the clock winds down, they're going to come by for a few more laps. As Bohr so far shows in the lead, Mattis still 3 4/10 behind. Keep on driving. I'll call you when you're done.
Fifth dig is done.
Tim, you're the first one.
Sixth drop welch done. Picture lintack done. Second cameraman done.
And that is no race. Steve Bohr holds on to that top spot. Resets new TQ with a 17-4-10.
Nice job, Steve.
Followed by Mattis and Lintown. Put your cars on.